Welcome in this new video. Today we will first start the CUBOT P50. Not sure how to pronounce this brand name, it's a Chinese brand. The P50 model actually costs around $125, and yeah, it is a very nice phone with pretty good specifications for the price. And let's do a first start and see how it goes. So first of all, and this is actually a first inconvenience from this phone, it is difficult to access the SIM card trays, so you have to remove the silicone cover that is provided, that is included with the phone. Then you have to open the back panel, and if you have no nails, like it is in my case, you might actually hurt yourself, so do it carefully, please. It is difficult without nails, but it is slowly coming. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Hopla. Let's get in front of you to show you the full work. Voilà. Okay, let's sit down because the first time I opened it, it was easier than this time. Okay, here it is coming off nicely, and I can access now the two SIM cards trays. So the first SIM card is here, yes, like this. So let's insert the first SIM card. No, it's not. Yes. Okay, like this, and then the second SIM card, which should be here. Okay, now the two SIM cards are inserted. So this is an inconvenience of this phone. If you actually need to change SIM cards often, it will be tedious to open the phone, change the SIM card, etc. It's much easier to have just a nice tray, SIM card tray, that you can just get out with a pin like this one, for example, but we don't have this option. So now let's put back the back cover. Hopefully the SIM cards are correctly inserted. Up. Let's press everything. Press everything. Okay. Put back the silicone cover and start our phone. Yep. So just after unpacking, we did a first start up to the step where it is asking for SIM cards. It takes a bit of time to get there, but let's see how long it will take this time. We can see already that the screen protection is not very properly inserted. Not sure if you can see, there are some very light bubbles at the bottom and at the top, so it is not very high quality work, but it is okay. And again, in my case, that's a secondary phone, so I have to enter the pin for my SIM card. Okay, this is the pin for my SIM card. It unlocked the SIM card. Now I can choose the number for my mobile data. In my case, I want to use the second card, and it can switch data SIM, so it means any of the two SIM cards can use internet connection. For mobile data, I want the second card. Oh, let's not show my numbers, but for the calls, I want to ask every time. For the SMS, I want by default the secondary card. Now it is searching for Wi-Fi, so I have to add a new network. Let's find my network and enter the password. I am entering my password. Double check. Okay, and let's connect to Wi-Fi. It is now connecting to Wi-Fi and getting the phone ready, so it will retrieve most likely my Google account. So the battery is half charged, and my phone has recognized that first SIM can use 3G and second SIM, local one, can use 4G. The first SIM is actually a foreign SIM from where I am now, and the second SIM is a local one. So up to now, all of this is correct, and not much is happening now. So it is probably No, it cannot retrieve data from Google yet, but it will soon ask for the Google account, and from there we will be able to retrieve applications, also passwords and everything, and very simply actually switch from my old phone to the new one. So the old phone I'm changing because the screen sometimes is not responding, although it is a micro USB charger, and now I am switching to USB-C charger, and I will have all my devices on USB-C, which is very useful. And yeah, so my old phone, the screen has some issues. Sometimes it's not responding, like maybe now. Yeah, like now, I can unlock, I can do some stuff, but most of the buttons I press do not work. The screen is not responding. So this is the issue, and this is why I'm getting a new phone. As a secondary phone, I chose this CUBOT P50 because it is cheap, and it can do pretty much everything I need, despite being cheap. Okay, so now it is offering to copy apps and data, which is what I want to do. Next. So I have to choose my old device. My old device is an Android that is not responding. Bring photos and videos. Okay. And it will probably find my old device. I hope so. My old device is here, and the screen is doing what it wants. So, can it open the Google app on my old device? So this is the issue. I cannot open on my old device anything because the screen is not responding. What I could do is try to restart this phone, but the same, yeah, I cannot restart because I cannot even press anything on the screen. The screen is unresponsive, and this is my current issue. So I have to force reboot the phone using power and up, and I can then use long power key to shut down device, which is what I want to do. Okay, now the device is shut. Please respond. I don't know why the screen sometimes is responding, sometimes not. It's intermittent. It's not every time. Yeah, but let's try again. So if you also get such an issue with your old phone, actually, if you have the solution, please let us know in the comments. It will be useful for anyone that watches this video, and especially to me at the moment. But nothing I tried works, or sometimes I restart it and it fixes the problem. Sometimes I restart it and it doesn't fix the problem. So there is no real concrete solution for the unresponsive screen yet. And meanwhile, the phone, it's only the touch part that is unresponsive. Meanwhile, the screen is properly displaying everything and working, but just I can't press anything. So let's see even if I can type my password. Yeah, so already from the start I cannot type my password. Nothing I types is taken in consideration. And this is infuriating because now we cannot get anything. So let's start again, a force restart, force reboot. That's all we can do. And now we will go in the special menu if everything goes well. Or not. We are starting the phone directly. So now I'm not sure where this video is going as long as I cannot open the Google app on my device. Anyway, this was the first boot of the CUBOT P50. As you could see, it was pretty simple to set up. The only issue is to access the SIM cards and also the micro SD card tray. You need to remove the back cover. Anyway, CUBOT P50, $125, which so far is recommended. And let's see maybe in another video how to transfer Google to my device when my old device will be responsive. Thank you for your attention.